If your Shizuku app is stuck on stop waiting for service, freezing, not responding, or refusing to activate, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. Firstly, swipe down from top, turn on airplane mode, wait for 10 to 20 seconds and turn it off. Then open a settings, scroll down and tap apps. Scroll down and find Shizuku apps. Tap for stop. Go to storage. Tap clear cache and clear data. Now open Google Play Store. Search Shizuku. If you have update, then update it. Restart your device. Then open Shizuku. Tap Pairing. Tap Notification option. Allow notifications. Go back and tap Developer option. Scroll down and find USB debugging. Turn it off, then turn on. Also, wireless debugging. Turn it off, then on. Then tap wireless debugging. Tap pair device with pair code. Swipe down from top and enter pairing code. Go back and tap start. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.